Hey guys, it's Tony. I just wanted to make this video because I had a couple of comments on, just on TikTok, YouTube, basically saying that, that I'm comparing Bitcoin and Doggy, which I'm not. I'm not even comparing both of them. The fact is that, a lot of people hate that I say that Bitcoin is worth as much as it's worth because of hype, which is 100% true. If Bitcoin was worth, you know, as much as it is right now based off of use case, then it'd be then it wouldn't be worth $36,000. I mean, you would have better coins that actually have a better use case for them than fucking Bitcoin, dude. Like, look at XRP, look at Stellar, look at Ethereum, look at fucking Litecoin, dude. Look at Chainlink. Like, all these coins have a much better use case as a currency than Bitcoin. And everybody out here is like, oh, Bitcoin's worth this much because of limited supply, Every single fucking crypto except for Doggy has a limited supply. You can look at Tether, you can look at DogeCoin, and they're not limited on supply. They have an infinite amount of supply. And whereas every other crypto has a cap, has a market cap. And the thing is, Bitcoin is the one that ran the most because it's the original crypto. It's the main crypto. It's the one that gets the most hype, the most news. And you guys think that you guys know all this fucking shit about crypto, but in reality, you don't. You know, like the like the mainstream information of fucking Bitcoin and all this crypto and stuff. And the fact of the matter is, Bitcoin saw this run up because of hype and because of nothing else, and because of market manipulation. And as soon as you guys understand that crypto is running on hype and it's running on people actually putting it not necessarily to use but seeing it as an investment instead of a currency, that's when you guys will understand more about crypto. That's when you guys will understand more about crypto and on Bitcoin. That's basically the use case, right? Even Chamath Palap, whatever his last name is, right? He says it himself. Like, he says that Bitcoin is an investment. It's not a currency. It's not being used as a currency. It's being used as an investment, as a growth opportunity. And a couple of years back, he said, you know what? I'm buying a certain amount of Bitcoin because it's fool's insurance. Like, that's basically what it is. And it turns out that the hype was real. It ran up and now it's at $36,000. So all of you guys saying, oh, Bitcoin is, the best currency or the best crypto, whatever. It's not. It's only the best currency because it's the original one. It has the most news and the most hype. It doesn't have the best use case. If it had the best use case, like I said, you would have other better crypto being worth more, being worth a lot more. You would have XRP, you would have Ethereum, you would have Litecoin, you would even fucking Chainlink worth more than Bitcoin, right? Just know what's actually going on. Know why things run up, know why things are actually worth what they are. Bitcoin is worth $36,000 because people make it worth $36,000. XRP is worth a certain amount and they're getting sued, it's going to go down to zero because guess what? That's how much it's worth. That's how much people think it's worth. So, don't say that Bitcoin is worth this much because of limited supply, because that is one of the last things that is making it worth a certain amount of money, because every single crypto has a market cap apart from that, like from Tether and fucking DogeCoin, right? So, I mean, it's insane. It's insane to think about how little information people actually know and how little research everybody has, and they just go based off of mainstream information. So, do your own research. If you're gonna comment, that's completely fine. But that's my opinion on things, right? Like, if you guys are gonna make these crazy accusations, do a little bit of research, bro, because I've already done plenty. And I personally, crypto's fine. I see it as an investment opportunity. I'm not putting my money in there in crypto because, Bitcoin, I do think it's possible that it's going to rally to 100K maybe in this year, maybe next year. It just, I would, ultimately you buy Bitcoin and then you transfer it out to the dollar or to whatever your local currency is, right? Like, nobody's using Bitcoin as a currency. You're not going out to the store and you're not buying a piece of a banana or chips with 0.00001 of a Bitcoin, right? You're buying it with a dollar. People are investing into Bitcoin so they can make money and then transfer it out, and then at the end of the day hold cash.